Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lego bricks are produced, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Did the shipment of yellow pigment arrive?
Yes, it's on conveyor 2 now.
To prevent defects in the final product, these plastic granules are thoroughly dried until moisture levels reach the precise specification. Every batch is carefully balanced, so each Lego brick matches the exact color standards. Every Lego brick is formed in high-precision steel molds that ensure a perfect fit every time.
After molding, bricks must cool evenly to maintain shape and clutch power.
Optical systems sort millions of bricks by color and type with incredible accuracy. Clutch power tests ensure bricks connect and disconnect with just the right amount of force. Even with automation, human eyes still play a role in spotting imperfections. Special elements require customized molds and careful design to maintain compatibility.
Decorated elements are printed with high precision, so designs line up perfectly every time.
Minifigures are assembled with the same precision as standard bricks, ensuring compatibility and durability.
For each Lego set, computers calculate the precise number and type of bricks required.
Weight checks confirm that each box contains the correct quantity of bricks. Instructions and stickers complete the building experience, guiding builders step by step.
Packaging is designed to showcase the final build and protect the bricks inside.
All components come together here to form the final Lego set you recognize on store shelves. Finished pallets are wrapped and labeled, ready for shipment to distributors worldwide.
Coordinated logistics ensure Lego sets arrive in toy stores and homes around the world.
Look, Dad, the new castle set. It's huge.
Wow, that is big. Which one did you find?
I want this one, the treehouse. From tiny plastic granules to imaginative play, every brick is part of a bigger story.
And that's how Lego bricks are produced, from start to finish. Thanks for watching.